Hello everyone, back with me again at this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to retrieve unsafe Microsoft Word documents. So if you have unsafe document on Word and you want to edit or save it, you can just open the Microsoft Word and then click on File and then go to the info tab, and then here you can see there's a manage document option, so just click on that, and after that click on the recover unsaved documents. Click on these options. Then after that you'll see the list of of the unsafe files, and you can just click on file and then click on open. And after that the file will be open like this, and you can just click on the file and then click on save as, and choose the folder that you want to save the document. So for example, in this I'm going to save it in here, and after that click on save. And now your file has been saved and your unsafe file has been retrieved. Okay guys, so if you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment. And last, please click on the thanks below. I will really appreciate that. That's it from me today. See you guys next time.